Morning, folks. The other day, me and the lads decided to head off on a little camping trip. Starting out in Tallaght, we hiked our way up to Knockannavea, set up camp for the night, and well, this is how it went.
Any water? Any water going?
Yeah, loads.
Any water done?
Lots of water.
Any water?
Water.
Any big bags?
Yeah, big ones.
Any speakers?
8 litre ones.
Dylan's at the bringing his whole gaff again.
Better than a trolley.
You won't be saying that when we're vertical now in a minute. Dylan's in a rush, don't know why.
Yeah.
It's a video. Any water going? Ladden's after leaving his carpet.
He hit the tree and started fucking. Alright, bud. How are you, mate?
Then no one's photos.
Why, you're gonna have a wank or something?
Hey yo!
Hey!
Hey yo!
Hey, yo! We're here!
Then you're after dropping your green.
You up the head, fella. You mad bean, How was that milk? Was that milk?
Yup.
Yo, bro. All good?
You sweating?
I'm fucking sweating buckets.
Look at this fellow with his cup. Huh? I'm not mocking your cup, I'm just saying look at this fellow with his cup.
Got that from the Belfast Museum.
Up the Belfast Museum.
Not the Belfast, the Titanic.
I've never been to Belfast.
No?
Never.
I highly recommend it.
I'm gonna do it. Belfast vlog soon.
Oh man, it's so good.
Any water? What do you think of the tune?
Yeah!
On the boys.
Knockannavea, 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 Knockannavea.
Hello. They do be staring us over.
Yeah. I found you problem.
They're not impressed that we're in the gaff.
Should be you. Oh.
Don't be giving out to the crows, leave them alone.
Yeah, mate. What's more than?
Where's the dragonflies today? Are they good?
Dragging their balls across our face.
Ah, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, right, you play.
Oh, look, the
Yeah.
bog's on fire.
The gaff for tonight. Dylan over there. He's setting up. Then we have Dennis and Adam. Adam forgot his raincoat. Jeez, Dylan's blowing up his bed. Pot noodle, chicken noodles, the old chucky bar, the strawberry laces, the cola laces, water, triple chunk choc cookies. I give it 5 big booms. Boom, 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 boom. It's wet. So we got here and there was a bajillion flies. Dylan is out there inviting them all into his tent.
Yeah.
But I dove into this tent to get away from the flies. Starving. What? I'm gonna be covered in bites.
Hello!
Yo, Adam. Dylan's out there going to get firewood. Do something mad.
Oh, look at that boy. Crispy.
Wouldn't you like to know? Wouldn't you like to know?
Wouldn't you like to know?
Wouldn't you like to know?
Wouldn't you like to know?
Wouldn't.
Any oaks?
And you haven't.
What are you doing, boys? If you're gonna put
That's loads. I think we have enough for now.
no, Luke's not gonna get any more.
Luke's doing nothing. Walking down to the quarry. Not the game, the actual quarry. The last time we were here, closer than the time before and closer than the time before that. So we're curious to see how close it is to this like forest now. I'm sweating, I'm struggling. I'm in a hoodie because I don't want to get eaten by flies. But we're doing it. I need to get back in the gym. This is what I look like in case you're wondering. Look at all them bastards trying to get into me. They're not getting nothing, boys. I just hear them buzzing past my ears constantly. They're trying to get in. They're not welcome. I do not consent. He's on the night watch.
Yeah, no issue. Well, he's not gonna rock. That long grass is bleeding. Oh, boys, there's a nest in there. I got down in there.
A nest of what?
I don't know.
Like a bird's nest?
Have a look.
No, I'm alright.
Oh, look, I found €2. Oh, deadly.
Didn't you just drop that?
Oh,
I told you. You were slagging me, abracadabra.
what the
What?
fuck?
Ah, that's a lot of flies. Look at this view. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Destroying the beautiful landscape of this quarry there. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna whack in a photo from a few years ago and you'll see the difference because oh my god. That's insane. The difference, man. Look at the view though. Flies. The depth of it now. Holy. It's like probably like 3 times deeper than the last time.
Motherfuckers act like they forgot about Dre. Nowadays, everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish.
The burgers. The burgers then and the burgers. I'll be eating one of them burgers. We'll have a half one each.
Yeah, have half one each. I'm having potty on the
We had a bit of a issue. Basically, Deno left a box of the barbecue on, and we had to pull it off. We had to losing 3 burgers.
And one of them was nearly cooked as well.
There's my dinner, boys. Yep.
Makes you look, there's mine.
Oh, yep.
That's so rude. I'm not.
Eat a jelly bean, Dylan.
They'll wrap it up again. They're going to have a jelly bean and go to wrap it up again.
Nearly on the same level as it, man. The moon's on the low level, boys. Till you ruined the aesthetic of the fire pit with your fucking pot noodle lid.
Fuck you, I won't do it again.
Then I was gonna wreck the shop.
Do what you tell me. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me.
Come on, give me a boogie.
Huh?
Give me a boogie. Yeah. I'm sending up the space.
We're going to get wood now.
Oh, chill. Been trying to meet you.
Oh, Deno.
What, my phone?
Boom, boom, boom. Looking at his pictures. What pictures they have? Because look. Coca noodle and a pot noodle, what? It's getting dark. Go left and right, man. No, like walk. Follow the light. Right, we play Where's Dano, will we? wait, stop, don't look for a second. We're gonna play Where's Dano, right, come on.
I can't even see him.
Right, come on, let's go, come on. Where is he? Where is he, Dylan?
I don't know, bro.
Oh, Jesus! So he's gonna kick me.
Punch in the dick.
Punch in the dick punch. You alright there, young fella?
Yeah.
What are you doing up in these part of the woods?
Eating chocolate wafer roll.
Have you consumed any narcotics tonight?
All of them.
Adam's trying to sleep, and he's there shining a flashing light on the poor fucker's tent. Morning. Morning, Adam. Morning, Dylan. It's 9 a.m. Is it? Is it 9? I have to update the vlog. So, it's 9 a.m. I had a decent sleep, but we heard a gunshot in the middle of the night, so we're all shitting ourselves, so we all stayed awake for a while. And then I woke up again about 4 because I was bursting for a piss first of all, and then when I went for a piss I came back, I was fucking freezing. So yeah, a bit broken sleep. And now I'm sweating because the sun's up and it's roasting. I don't know what the plan is now. Probably chill out for a bit and then pack up and head back down. Catch us on the flippity flop. Morning, Dano. Morning. Morning, Dano. Morning, Adam.
I know the airbag said the easy solve was fucking hell.
Yeah. Something about easy fold mattress.
Done.
Jazz. Let's stroll before we head home, what?
Whoop the boys.
He's bringing a little axe next time. Or a little chainsaw. Like not an electric chainsaw, like a chain. My head's hopping. Dylan,
Yup the boys.
tell them how you won 60 quid.
Because came forward with England. Would have won 390 if they had a came first.
Well, you're an Irishman, why are you betting on England? Traitor.
Money involved. You're making money.
Couldn't have thought they were actually going to win, could you?
No.
Vamos to España. On the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again.
Sing it with me, Shrek. I can't wait to get on the road again.
What did I say about singing?
Dylan, tell the vlog what we're doing. Yeah, but tell the vlog what we're doing right now. What are we doing?
Walking.
Where?
Home.
Well done. Found the source of our noise last night, lads. Don't know where they are now.
But they left everything.
They have to despawn them, man. Maybe they're still here. Maybe we're gonna get a shot.
Maybe.
Wait, where did I put my cap?
Look at this.
We're responsible campers. We bring our rubbish back. No littering. Not right, boys. Always bring our rubbish back. Yeah. Here's Deno up there taking pictures of the same spot for the 15 billion time.
Yeah.
Sweating. It's not as hot as yesterday though, thankfully. I suppose it is a bit earlier as well. You were saying it's get up to 24 today, weren't you? So probably a good thing we left when we did. Ah, my ankle. Staring us out.
I don't think that's a cow.
It is, it doesn't have horns. We're going up and around. Yeah, we're gonna have to keep going. Brrr. If this video doesn't get uploaded and you just find me phone, we're after getting killed by a bull. But yeah, you up over. Johnny Knoxville did it and he was grand. Home. You bastard! Had to get me on the hand. Fucking horsefly. The babies.
Yeah.
Hello.
That's the old mountain.
The big mamas. Huh?
Said from all the gates that go across these fields, they all lead over to the quarry, and that was an old road, an old mountain road that came over from Kiltibber.
I'm admiring the baby cows.
So we finally made it back to Tallaght, had a well-deserved chicken fillet roll before getting home and having a well-deserved sleep. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and comment. Camping is whopper. And please subscribe. I'm so close to 1,000 now, it's unbelievable. Good night, God bless.